First big real day of demolition. Made a bit of a mess out there. But yeah, we've got this shed all ready to have the epoxy laid. Next week, we've removed tiles around the bottom of the skirtings, laundry. Started to get rid of some doors. Not you. In my office. Carpet's all gone. Very productive day. Inside, internals of the wardrobe's gone. I think we'll take the frame out so we can put the new floor all the way to the skirting boards, and then we'll put the frame back in. Deciding on paint colours. I think we're going to go with the lighter beige. Got a great deal done in here. Just got rid of all the mirrors and anything that need to be unscrewed from the walls. Just got to fill some holes. And in the ensuite, just sort of got rid of the cabinet, got everything ready so we can start stripping the tiles off in here. And our beautiful outdoor area. That's sort of our food, tool storage, whatever, while we're doing the construction work. And I can't wait to open up the spa one day, clean it and get that ready to go, but no rush for that. So that's day one of demolition day done. We made heaps of progress today, really happy with how things went. I think I'm going to sleep extremely well tonight. Yeah, we had some of the family and friends come over and help us out. So looking forward to getting started on the painting and some more stuff, getting all the trades in, and we're really well underway and the mess that we're making. Okay.